So many people in my DMs on Instagram telling me that they want to learn programming, but they just don't know where to start. And I get it, there's so much information out there. And so many people, when they want to learn something, they just jump into it. No plan or anything. And then they just get lost along the way because they don't know what to do. They watch random YouTube videos, buy random courses, read random articles, just constantly do random things. And 6 months later, they realize that they spent so much time learning, but they still don't feel like they know anything. And it's not because they are not capable, it's because they never had a proper roadmap. Hi, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about tech, career, and leveling up. So please subscribe. Today I want to show you guys how to create a proper roadmap for learning. Not just programming, for any skill you want to learn. Whether that's for programming, AI, project management, or even anything else outside of tech. Let's get into it. Step 1. Define the destination. That sounds obvious, but a lot of people skip it. Don't say, I want to learn programming. Instead, ask yourself, what do I actually want to be able to do? Maybe you want to build websites. Maybe you want to become data analyst. Maybe your goal is to pass a specific certification. Your destination determines everything else. Learning JavaScript to become data analyst, probably not the best use of your time. Know where you are trying to end up. Step 2. Work backwards. Let's say that your goal is to eventually become a web developer. Once you know your goal, look at people who already achieved it. Search LinkedIn. Look at job postings. Read the requirements. Try watching some day in a life videos. Talk to people in that field. Once you do all this, you will quickly notice patterns. You will notice that specific skills appear over and over again. Those are the skills your roadmap should include. Don't guess, research. Step 3. Organize your learning. Think of learning like building a house. You don't install the roof before the foundation. Same applies to learning. For example, if you want to become a web developer, don't start learning React on your first day. Each skill should be built on the previous one. Step 4. Don't try to learn everything. This is probably the biggest trap today, especially with AI. Every week there is something new. A new framework, a new tool, new course, new certificate. And because of that, people constantly end up starting over. Instead, choose one path and stick to it. Step 5. Allocate time to apply what you learn. This is where real learning happens. A lot of people get stuck in learning mode. They keep watching videos, they keep reading books, they keep taking different courses, and they never actually use what they learn. Knowledge without application fades away really fast. The goal is to turn information into experience. Experience is what exposes gaps in your knowledge. And these gaps tell you exactly what you need to learn next. Step 6. Use AI right away. Because it does make things easier. And it actually makes for a good learning tool. But don't let it become your brain. Don't ask AI to do the work for you. Step 7. Create a schedule. Learning whenever you feel motivated usually doesn't work. You have to treat your learning like going to the gym. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day adds up. So make sure that every week you have a dedicated time to learn. Step 8. Always review your progress. Every couple of weeks, ask yourself, what have I learned? What can I actually do now that I couldn't do before? What still confuses me? Do I need to spend more time on this topic before I move on? Learning is not just consuming information. You need to check that you actually understand it. And finally, please remember that roadmap is not supposed to be perfect. It never is. It's meant to keep you moving in the right direction. You will probably change it, and that's completely normal. The important thing is having a direction, because people without a roadmap usually end up learning many different random things. So before you start your next course, certification, or tutorial, take an hour to think about what you want and create your proper roadmap. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.